performance. Once we have completed, it is expected to perform the testing, and the testing of particular wiring installation must be satisfied as per standard or as per IS. Okay, so that is what it is important. So what we are having, the test associated with particularly as per standard for wiring circuit, that insulation resistance testing between conductor and wire. Insulation resistance between conductor and wiring. I am having some problem to share the screen. I think मी एकदा त्यासाठीच मी लॉग आउट करून लॉग इन. Then insulation resistance testing between conductors. Then testing polarities of non-linked single phase switches. Then testing of earth conductivity for particularly number one, that is the insulation resistance testing between earth and conductor, insulation resistance testing between conductors, testing of polarities of non-linked single pole switches, then testing of earth connectivity or earthing path. For this particular testing purpose we are using कोणते डिव्हाइस वापरतो आपण ह्या टेस्टिंग साठी? तर ते डिव्हाइसेस आहेत टेस्ट लॅम्प. त्यावेळेला टेस्ट लॅम्प घेऊन आपण चेक करतो. काही केस मध्ये वी नीड टू यूज टेस्टर. We used to need earth tester and measure. So these are the major what we have the equipment: lamp, test lamp, tester, earth resistor, and measure. So these are the devices which we are using for testing purpose. So insulation resistance testing. So installation testing. Is that na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Just I have introduced. So is it okay, clear to you? You are able to see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Insulation resistance test, polarity test, earthing test, आणि earthing test मध्ये तुम्ही earth connectivity test आणि earthing path connectivity test. So we have also again explained that as per the testing rule, insulation resistance test number one. So insulation resistance test, what we have, this test is performed to know whether insulated cable or wire used in wiring system are having perfect insulation or not. There is need of resistance is never infinite. एवढं निश्चित आहे. So there is some leakage current, what we call, in this particular circuit, which is higher than that of insulation. If the current is high, the insulation is not perfect. So as per IE rule, Electricity Rule 48, the insulation resistance of such value or that leakage current value should not exceed 1/5000 part of the particular rated current. Okay, full load rated current. So you have to perform this test. You may record what we have. मी आता ते बघत होतो पण actually there is something from current. No insulation is perfect. That is very important. No insulation is perfect. म्हणजे कोणतं इन्सुलेशन असं नाहीये की जे तुम्हाला 100% झिरो लिकेज करंट देईल. लक्षात घ्या. So what it is expected, leakage current is always there, but leakage current should not exceed 1/5000 part of the full load rated current. म्हणजे समजा 5 एम्पियर करंट असेल तर किती लिकेज करंट पाहिजे? 10-15 एम्पियर करंट असेल तर लिकेज करंट किती परमिटेड आहे? Who will tell me? जरा करून बघा. समजा 5 एम्पियरचं सर्किट आहे, लिकेज करंट किती? 5 into 1/5000. किती उत्तर येत आहे? हॅलो, आवाज येतो ना?
0.001.
0.001 म्हणजे 0.001 म्हणजे किती? म्हणजे किती एवढा एम्पियर झाला म्हणजे किती मिली एम्पियर?
1 milliampere.
हा म्हणजे किती मिली एम्पियर? 0.001 म्हणजे
1 million.
3 million.
काय 1 into 10 raised to
-3.
अरे .001 मिली एम्पियर म्हणजे एम्पियर म्हणजे किती मिली एम्पियर?
1 milliampere.
1 milli. So what you have? You have this particular insulation such that current should not exceed more than 1 milliampere if your circuit rating is 5 ampere. So this particular test that is performed by applying DC voltage of double layer value. DC voltage, that 500 volt of value which is applied on particular in between the insulation and conductor using measure. So measure of 500 volt which is special form of ohm meter that is used to perform this test as well as the test of other installations too, like earthing and all this. If leakage current is more than 1 milliampere, then you have to increase the higher size of insulation that is required. The insulation resistance test shall perform between earth and conductor, live conductor and neutral. Insulation resistance test must be performed between earth and non-earth conductors. You have to follow while performing the test certain steps. You have while performing the test, you have to switch off the mains and keep other switches on. म्हणजे तुम्हाला मेन्स बंद ठेवायचा आहे, सप्लाय आणि बाकीचे स्विचेस ऑन ठेवायचे. No supply is there. All other sub circuits are on. Short circuit lines, you have to short circuit the line and neutral wire. म्हणजे तुम्हाला दोन पॉइंट भेटतील, एक लाईन पॉइंट आणि एक न्यूट्रल पॉइंट. जे काही फ्युजेस आहेत त्या तुम्ही सर्किट मध्ये तसंच ठेवायच्यात. जर फ्युजेस तुम्ही सर्किट मध्ये ठेवल्या नाही तर इट विल शो यू ओपन सर्किट. जे काही लॅम्प्स किंवा डिव्हाइसेस आहेत that to be in their position. If you put off the lamp, म्हणजे if you take away the lamp, put off म्हणता येणार नाही, then it will show the open circuit and you will not get the test results. Okay. Line and neutral terminals of all sockets should be short circuited. Line and neutral terminals. Okay. Then connect terminal E to the measure, L to the line, L of this particular earth, and line terminal to the common point of live wire and neutral wire at main switch. Then you have to rotate the handle of the measure such that